welcome back. And we're gonna, well, it's already been unboxed, but we're gonna break this out in the open, this diesel heater. Now, I'm sure you've seen them all unboxed before. This is if you want to put it into your fuel tank. So let's go with this box first. Set of directions, ambiguous at best from what I understand. Put this down here. Hoses for getting it out there. Now I went and ordered an extra one of these just for the fact that when it comes down, it's not gonna get out and underneath the van far enough. Electrical base plate, yep, vents, two of those, inboard air filter, incoming air filter, another exhaust pipe. This one here I ordered off of Amazon because I wanted to make it longer. So what I'll do is I'll clip this into the end of here and extend it out farther past the wheel well. Another box of goodies, or bag of goodies, zip ties, piece of rubber hose, and a drill, hole saw I picked up to put the holes in the body. Okay. Now and here we have the unit itself. LCD display, which kind of looks banged up already. Really? Yeah, wouldn't doubt it. Anyway, LCD display there. Fuel pump. The unit itself. It's got a mark on it where the exhaust pipe goes. I stretched it a bit to get that on there. Huh. And keychain remote. Oh, that's cool. Slides down and on and off. What else we got in here? Plus and minus. I guess that's for the heat to go up and down. Slide that back up. You're good to go. Alright, so this back in here. What we need to do is this is the air intake on this side. This is the exhaust. This says hot air outlet. Okie dokie. So what I got to do is figure out in the van where I'm going to put it. One place I wanted to put it, I can't put it there because if I did, I would have to raise it up about this high and then curve the hoses over to go out to clear the frame and between the fender well. And I didn't want to do that for the fact that if this one cracks or something cracks up here, it could leave CO2 in the truck into the van. So not a big fan of that. Alright, so anyway, we'll go up in the van and take a look at what we got. Let's see what else we got in this bag first. It's Christmas. Okay, we got bracket for the fuel pump, bag of screws, like mounting screws, some clamps, these clamps for here and here, whatnot, posts, zip ties, small clamps for the rubber hose, fuel filter, which is good. I assume it's like this, comes in, filters, and then goes out. And some more clamps, a lot of clamps. Okay, these are the two clamps here that'll go on here. Let's see, did I get a big enough hole saw to cover the clamp going through? I don't think so. I think I'll probably have to do something different there. So anyway, alright, well let me go take a look at what we got, and once I figure out what I got, I'll let you know. Thank you. Okay, I've done a bit overkill on the holes, but the reason being for that is that it was the only size drill I had, or hole saw I had, and I wasn't going to go buy another one just to do one little job. So this will fit right here. Bolts will go through everything. The heat will come out over here. I'll have drawback here. I got about 2 inches behind it. And let me set it in there real quick. See if this will film down here. I'm sure it probably will. There. And sorry if I made you a little dizzy there, but the clearance back here on the back, good 4 inches. The front, you know, it's basically gonna, I can take it anywhere I want right now, but basically it's gonna go hook directly into it. So that's looking good, and with it going directly into it, cuts my hose down. And being in the van, we only need one outlet to keep us nice and toasty warm. The wiring will come over here, come up to this 2x4, travel across the top here. If I can, I may put it down through there and then drop it around and bring it over to the electrical, since it's a 12-volt system. So let me get this thing bolted up, and next thing I need to do is basically go underneath the van and run the fuel line. And that's about the only thing I need to do outside, well, other than putting in the fuel pump and the fuel filter. So let's get her done. The other advantage to the holes being that big is my floor is about 1.5 inches. I don't have to drill out for these bolts. So and also the exhaust pipe gives it plenty of clearance to keep the heat down, which is what I'm looking for. So, and I'm pretty sure these are metric. Everything else in life seems to be. Calm down there, little feller. Anyway. Be going under the van. I'll take you under there and let you take a look at what I got to work with. Fortunately, this came right over the pig, and it's going to hold up pretty good. Not going to be a lot of trash get over here into it. I know it's metric. I got SAE. Hopefully. We can make it work. So hey, I get up this morning, got on Facebook, say hi to a few people, whatnot, you know. And next thing I know, get an alert. Your account has been disabled. Yeah, no. I didn't do anything. Can't think of anything I would have done. I mean, I just liked a couple people's vids and inputs. I don't know. Said I violated the community standards. Oh well. Not a big deal. Go back to MeWe. Alright. These are bolted down. And these fancy dancy little critters here are self-tapping. Got a little rubber gasket on it. I'm not sure you can see that. But they'll be going through here to secure it to the floor. Really, I could attach the pipes and secure it right now, but I'm not sure which way the pipes are going to go. Which is really kind of an odd thing. This is the outlet to go inside the compartment, whatever you're heating. And this is not, this is the intake for the air to come in. Which, so you got it sitting. I would put, you know, put this to the back so that you could aim it back, you know, because it's going in the van pretty much like you're sitting right now. So, and I'm going to have to aim it over. And I bought this little thing right here, another muffler and stuff to add on to this to bring it out a little farther. So anyway, I know what I got to do, and time to go underneath the van and take a look at that mess. What I've learned so far is that if you can see it, I just put a little mark on the floor right here. That's where the fuel hole on the bottom is. There's one on the bottom here, reinforced, and here on the side. And what I found is that this little fitting right here goes through there. I'm not sure what it is. I said 8 millimeters, so it's probably not a very big hole. Hey. Big fingers. Okay. Now, according to the directions, I'm sure you can see that. You need to take the line here and you butt it up against and then clamp it down. What I found is that that line will slide through this connection. And if it's done right, I could put it in the back. But I don't think it's going to happen. What I'm going to do is probably thread it through here just a little bit and then clamp it to make it work a little better. So I don't know if we got to see that or not, but hopefully we can make it work.